What if you had an AI built not for casual chats, but specifically for the high-stakes world of law? Welcome everyone, today we're diving deep into Harvey AI, a platform that claims to be the professional-grade AI for elite law firms. In this Harvey AI demo review, we'll uncover its promised benefits and potential drawbacks. Harvey positions itself not as a general-purpose tool, but as a specialized partner trained on legal datasets and integrated with a firm's own knowledge, aiming to tackle complex tasks like contract analysis, litigation strategies, and regulatory compliance. It promises to automate the routine and amplify the expert, offering insights and draftings at a superhuman speed. But is this specialized power all sunshine? The drawbacks are inherent in its specialized nature. It's a tool for large enterprises, not for individual practitioners or small firms, and its performance is deeply tied to the quality of data it's fed, meaning it requires significant investment and truth toll. The website emphasizes responsible AI with human oversight, crucial for avoiding hallucinations in a field where accuracy is everything. So while Harvey AI might not be changing every lawyer's practice today, it's undoubtedly sketching the blueprint for the future of the legal industry. Goodbye, my dear, and see you later.